All right, so now that we have worked out this promotion discount, let's complete promotion price list by working the sale discount, sale discounted, or let me change this to, we are going to write a formula which is equal to the standard price multiplied by 100% less the discount and enter. And we are going to apply the currency format here. Okay, let me first drag this down. To avoid this error, we are going to use if this is equal to empty cell, then empty cell, otherwise perform our calculation, and we will close this bracket. And now I'm going to double click on this to copy this corrected formula so you have it here. So now you have created a promotion price list. Let's say in future you want to change the category discount. Let's say you want to change from 10% here to say 30%, then it automatically changes. You don't have to correct this long if formula and avoid the chances of making errors. This is how you create promotion price list with multiple conditions and nested if. Try it out with whatever application you feel like and see how it works for you.